Mom, please wake up.
Maya,
I'm sorry, Mom. I was ashamed of you.
you were always my child.
She needs patience, care, and rest.
Then that's what she'll have. Small bites, Mom.
You stayed.
These hands gave me everything.
They still do.
Can you ever forgive me?
I forgave you before you asked.
I'm proud to be your daughter.
Then that's all I ever wanted.